All right, welcome everyone to my first ever FOMC live trading session. I've not ever done this before, but I think from now on, I'm actually not going to trade in the mornings on FOMC, and I'm going to get on the charts in the afternoon because, I mean, price action actually it looks smooth. I'm pretty sure there are a lot of traders that literally just trade FOMC, like Justin Werlin, and I don't know. I mean, it's high impact news, so you would think price action would be good. So I'm assuming that it's probably good during FOMC. This is mostly just experimental, but I do think that I will try this out, and I honestly think that trading FOMC is a lot in the afternoon is a lot better than trading in the mornings. So we are going to try this out. Keep in mind, I have traded FOMC before, but like not on live stream. So I'm still just getting better every day with you guys. But this is exciting. So we're gonna try this out, and hopefully in the future, every single FOMC, I will do a live stream on it. So yeah. And I was thinking I could even like pull up Powell speaking as it comes out. I think that'd be kind of fun. And we could like watch it together. But I think this is a really good idea. I think it makes a lot more sense than trading during the morning. I'm also gonna start posting in my Discord server the news every week. So that way you don't have to go in Forex Factory. You don't have to change all the settings, because I know that always used to bug me. And I want to make things easy for you guys. So the news of the week will be posted every single week in my Discord server, and it will have all the high impact news. So you can just go in my Discord server and look at it. You don't need to go on FOMC. I mean on the Forex Factory page if you don't want to. I think it's really, really nice. But let's take a look at the chart. So we are very, very far in premium. Holy crap. But we are seeking out all-time highs. You can see that all-time highs are right here, and we are very, very close. And so a friend of mine, someone on one of my videos let me know that I can actually hold shift, and it will make a straight line, which is honestly pretty nice. So I did not know that. And I've been trading for, I've been trading for almost 15 months now, and I never knew that you could just hold shift on your keyboard and it makes a straight line. I'm telling you, I learn new stuff all the time. It's crazy. I did not know that. And then also he was telling me that like when I draw a fair value gap, if I hold control, it'll align it with the wicks like that. What? I did not know that. It's been almost 15 months of me trading. That's like crazy. I didn't know that. Hey, what's up, guys? Usama, dude, good to see you. Good to see you again. I love how active you are in the Discord. It's so great. And then Evan, what's up? You like it. You like it, dude. I think we're gonna hit all-time highs probably this afternoon, if I had to guess. I mean, we're clearly drawing up towards all-time highs. Look at how close we are, right? I mean, that's where we're going, and this is a high-impact news day, so you would think that this would probably be when we hit it. I mean, if we don't hit it today, it'll probably be tomorrow, but yeah, it's interesting. Maybe we'll sweep out these lows. Are these equal lows? These kind of look like equal lows. Not exactly equal, but yeah, this is, I don't know. I think trading FOMC is going to be a lot more fun than trading during the morning, because the morning price action sucks. Like, you just don't want to trade during the morning. Now, this morning actually was maybe okay if I'm looking back at it. Like, maybe there were some trades you could have taken. But in general, usually the morning has really bad price action. So I'm thinking I'll start trading FOMC specifically. But yeah, I was just like I was saying, I was thinking we could pull up Powell speaking and then overlay like the seconds chart and like as he's speaking, watch how it reacts. I think that'd be kind of fun. I think that's fun. So I'm gonna see if I can find a video of Powell. We are pushing back down towards this low here. It is kind of a chop fest though. Look at this. So like I was saying in my other live streams, what I'm gonna start doing is I'm going to put my higher time frame levels on this chart. So anything like 15 minutes or 1 hour or higher, I'm gonna mark out with this. I was trying to do that. I was trying to do the control method. I don't really know if I know what I'm doing yet. Okay, I don't really know how to do that. I'll figure it out. Here's this 1 hour for value gap. Here we have all-time highs. And I will just be trading on demo just because, I don't know, I'm still getting better. And while I'm still getting better, I just kind of am preferring to trade on demo. But at some point in the future, and that way I can take like more than one trade, right? I can just keep getting practice. But someday in the future, I'm going to buy my eval account on Apex, and it should be exciting stuff. But yeah, right now I'm just kind of enjoying trading on demo, especially because it's very stress free, and I can really easily trade on TradingView. I'm not used to micro contracts yet, so this is going to allow me to get really good at knowing the like lot size, because I have no idea really what the lot size is for micro contracts. It's like totally brand new to me, so I'm really just having to learn all this from scratch a little bit, because I've been used to trading on TJR's prop firm with the NAS 100 CFDs, and it's not as good. But yeah, we swept out. Let's see, we swept out these lows. We actually have this is kind of like a data wick, right? So we do have this data low here. We'll mark that out. That's so nice. I can't believe I didn't know about that. It's so nice. Okay, making this a solid line. Yeah, I'm going to try and do this every day now. Let's see if we can find Powell talking, because I think that'd be kind of cool to overlay. Powell speech live. He should be speaking right now. It's 12:45. Bro, does anyone else get like TGR's ads everywhere? Because I do. It's crazy. All right, bro.
We don't think it's a good time to be doing a lot of.
Tell us the news, bro.
Guidance.
Tell us the news.
There's a fair amount of uncertainty in what I've said. The path that we're on, we do know where the destination is, but we don't know the right pace, and we don't know exactly where the destination is. So the
I don't know if this is gonna be possible.
The point is to find the right pace and the right destination as we go, and I think there's a fair amount of uncertainty about that. And you don't want to tie yourself up with guidance. You want to be able to.
Is there an echo? There might be an echo. I don't know.
Steve Leisman, CNBC. Mr. Chairman, you talked about
it's very laggy.
Higher rates, perhaps from an expectation of higher growth. You didn't talk about it in terms of expectations of higher deficits. Is that something you think might be behind the recent rise in interest rates? And is that a rise in deficits?
Dude, it's so up and down.
So
it's crazy.
We don't comment on fiscal policy. And again, I don't have a lot more to say on what's driving bond yields. In terms of
we close above this fair value gap
of policy changes, though. Let me give you a sense of how this works in the ordinary case. let's say
But we have this
Congress
data low
is
here.
considering a rewrite of the tax laws.
So
It
I
doesn't
don't
matter
know.
what's in the content. So we would follow that. At a certain point, we'd think we see the outlines. So we'd start to model.
Should I take this?
And then we'd wait. And then at a certain point, the staff would brief the
I might
FOMC and
take
say,
this.
you know, these
Let
are
me
the
try to
likely
take this.
effects. There's lots and lots of literature on the effects of tax policy changes on various parts of the economy. So we
This is just for
try to get
practice.
smart on that, and then the law actually passes, and you know you'd start to put it. You'd probably run an alternative
This is
simulation
completely for
before that
practice.
happens,
Please
just
understand
to
that.
keep
I'm
people
not.
trying to understand it. Then when it actually passes, it goes into the model, along with a million other things. So, you know, we have a very large economy. Many things are affecting it at any given time. And
Why is it so
a law
laggy?
change of some kind would go in there, but it would go in. But it would, you know, it's a process that takes some time. Clearly, the legislative process takes a lot of time. And of course, the real question is not the effect of that law. It's all of the policy changes that are happening.
Okay,
What's
wait.
the net effect?
I'm just trying to.
And you know the
I gotta get rid of
overall
this.
effect on the
The
economy.
speech is
at a
too
given
much.
time. So I think
Speech is too much.
that's a process that takes a lot of time and that we go through all the time with every administration, constantly.
Oh my gosh, my computer
this will
is
be
just
no
so
different.
slow.
But you know, right now there's nothing to model right now. It's such an early stage. We don't know what the policies are, and once we know what they
Okay, I
are,
gotta get rid of
we won't
this.
have a sense of, you know, when they'll be implemented or all those sorts of things. So I think.
Dang it, dude. I didn't get as many contracts as I wanted. That's okay. You guys see how we closed above this fair value gap, and now we're headed higher. So now I'm gonna move stop loss to break even. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, move stop loss to break even. Okay, partial here. So this is just really. This is why I gotta get practice with it, you know. Actually, let's just hold all to all-time highs. Because this is demo, I'm not. It's just kind of being a pain right now. Let's just do all to all-time highs. Dude, my chart is just broken. Well, this is why I gotta get practice with it. Why is it not moving my stop loss? Oh, this is so annoying. Okay. Let's go. Straight to all-time highs. It was lagging. I would have bought more contracts. My idea with this account is I'm trying to risk 500 per trade on here. So this was not what I wanted to do. But you can see once we closed above here, after sweeping this low, now we're retesting this order block. Yeah, I'm definitely trading FOMC from now on, guys. FOMC price action's good. That was easy. That was like the easiest trade of my life. So far. Oh, it looks like we swept the high, though. I don't know. I'm just getting better, guys. I'm not really too concerned about it. I'm just getting better. This is a giant order block, though. I'm not too concerned about the specifics. All right. Yeah, we swept this high, and then we got a 30-second inverse back down. So I should probably just get out. Yeah, that was my... So once we got this 30-second inverse back down, I should have got out. And I also should have taken a partial at this high. But this... You can see how if you go for the low-hanging fruit with these trades, right? If you enter here and then take profit here... Oh my gosh, you know what I mean? Like you're gonna win like very high percent of your trades. So but yeah, I'm just trading on demo right now, so we're just gonna keep getting practice. So we did sweep this high, so now I wouldn't be surprised if maybe we come down to these. I don't know. It's kind of unclear. Let's look around a little bit more. I don't think you want to be bearish when you're this close to all-time highs, though. So yeah, I got to get better. That the only I guess I can't pull up Powell while I'm doing the live stream. That's a lesson learned. It makes my computer too laggy. It doesn't work. Then I don't get to execute the trade properly. I'm learning, guys. I'm learning. I can't pull up Powell. It makes my screen too laggy. But you know what? Maybe one day. Maybe I could pull it up on here in the bottom left or something. I don't know. Like imagine if I just had like another screen right here showing him. I don't know for sure, but the idea is we're going to keep getting better, and I'm not going to mess up the contracts next time because it's not going to be laggy, hopefully. I've been enjoying trading on demo lately. It's so much less stressful, and like I just kind of see it as like me getting better right now. So I don't know. I should have taken 2 off. I probably should have taken 2 off at this high, realistically, and I should have had a tighter stop loss. That's the lesson with this trade. So what I should have done is this was a great trade, but I needed to have my stop loss. Actually, that's not really good risk to reward. So there was this 30-second IPG. So honestly, you could have put your stop loss below this 30-second IPG candle. And now your risk to reward is a lot better. Now you have a 1 to 1.3 risk to reward. You see that? You see how this... You could use this 30-second inverse instead. And then what you could have done is you could have taken 2 off here, and then and then you would have left runners to go and take out all-time highs for a 3 to 1. So lesson learned, but whatever. Just getting better. And yeah, at one point I will have a eval account on TradingView, and then I'll be just doing the same exact thing I've been doing on demo, but I will do it on an actual eval account, and then after that I will do it on a live account, and it's just like it's gonna be cool because I've been doing it on demo for so long that it'll just get super easy for me. So that's my plan, but I don't think I'm gonna get the eval yet. I don't know if I'm ready. But I think I'm pretty close. Look at this. Respecting the mean threshold of this. See that? See that perfect reaction off the mean threshold? Now we're delivering from this 1 minute for value gap. Let's get rid of everything here. From the low to the high, we went back into discount. So I bet we're gonna go run all-time highs now. Let me just switch this to. Oh no, that's not going to do what I want it to do. Why is this not on? It should be. It's supposed to be. Whatever. All-time highs. We are close. Yeah, we're gonna hit it. We will hit the all-time highs. But you see how we reacted perfectly off the mean threshold of this 3 minute? You see that? You think that's random? No, it's not random. It's not random at all. And guess what else? We perfectly went back into discount. So this was the mean threshold of this 3 minute order block. And then guess what? Perfectly went back into discount of this price leg here. Random? I don't think so. No way. That is not random. Should we try a trade? Just, I don't know. Since it's demo, I guess it doesn't matter, but probably because we have an order block here. No, it's not. It's not a healthy habit to just take random trades. And this is also like this wick is the order block, and this top of this series is an order block. Maybe we can get a low time frame inversion. Okay, I might try this. I know we're in premium, but we're so close to all-time highs. We're probably gonna hit it. I'm gonna try it. Just practice. Okay. I know we're farm premium, I know. Whoa. What is this? No. I didn't get an entry. I mean, that. I guess there are trades that are better. Maybe you could have taken this, but. You could use this for. You could use this indicator for macros too, possibly. There's probably a separate indicator for macros. I'm setting up my what's it called? My screens, that way I have my indicators showing up on my other screen as well. Okay. Nice. Because I have another screen for looking for SMTs that I basically have on the 1 minute chart. We got an SMT at these lows here. That's very interesting. What the? I'm just now realizing. Okay, this is weird. On the macro contract, look, we made a lower low. On the micro contract, it's showing a higher low. Is that normal? That doesn't seem normal. It's probably just, I don't know. It's weird. It does not normally happen, I'm pretty sure. There we go. We're almost there. Honestly, what should my FOMC trading rules be? Like for time, should I trade like? I'm trying to think. Like, should I trade until market close? I wonder. Okay, I want to take this just to try it. Once again, I messed up the entry. I have to like know how many contracts to use. because like I meant to enter here. So how many contracts do you think I need to enter with to get to a risk of 500? I should probably practice risking with 200, right? Yeah, because that's my actual risk that I'm going to be using on my funded account. So, stop loss to break even. So probably like... trying to think. So this was like $100 stop loss, right? Because the problem is, it depends, like how many contracts I do. It depends on like the volatility of the asset. Like right now, like this is like, it's just so confusing. Like how many minis do I do? How many micros? I mean, how many micros do I do? I don't know. That's the most confusing part. That's why I'm trading on demo, is because I'm like, okay, how many micros do I do? You know? Okay, 22 mini. I honestly don't even know the difference between mini and micro. Is there a smaller version than micro? Is it like 1/10 of a micro is a mini? Oh man, I have a lot to learn still about micros and minis. Anything over? What do you mean anything over? Anyway, this trade was okay. I wouldn't rate it A or A plus. I think it's probably like, it was just, the only reason it's not A or A plus is because look, we're already all the way up here at like all-time highs. So, but I liked the fact that we were already basically almost at all-time highs, and I knew we were gonna hit it. So, mini equals $20. My issue is like when I enter, like let's say I enter, I can't see my stop loss, so I don't know where it's gonna be placed. So like let's say I want to do like, oh, micro equals $2, mini equals 20. Okay, micro equals 2. So $2. It's $2 for every one. $2 for every one that it moves, right? For every one, first point, whatever this is called, I forget. I need to make a video on that because I kind of forget. I need to like kind of learn it. So, but $2 for every number that it moves, right? Yeah. So I gotta just figure out like, when I enter, like, where my stop loss is gonna be. This is my biggest issue, cause like, let's say like I enter here, like, let's say I do 10. I don't know like how much 10 is risking. That's the problem. I don't know like where my stop loss is gonna be. I don't know how much risk that's going to be, and that's what I don't really get about it, because I can't see my stop loss. It's like, yeah, I'm risking 200, but where is it gonna be? Is my stop loss gonna be all the way up here? Is it gonna be here? Is it gonna be here? I don't know. And that's the part I'm like, okay, this is kind of confusing. 0.5 a tick. Yeah, right now it's not the best trading to trade at all-time highs. It's like I said, this isn't like a great setup, but I'm saying like, because I don't know, it was just more like a for fun trade, but we were almost at all-time highs, so I was like, yeah, 0.5. I'm gonna do research on it later. I'll figure it out. It's just like, the most frustrating thing about it for me is like, I don't want to over risk, and I don't want to under risk. I want to risk just the right amount, and I feel like when I can't see my stop loss, I don't know like how many units to buy. 50 cents equals 1 tick. Can you remind me, so which one's tick and which one's handle? So a tick, which one's point, which one's tick, which one's handle? I need to do research on this, I'm telling you, because I'm so used to not trading the futures contracts. I don't know. So, let's see. Point is the same as handle. Interesting. Let me look it up. I'm just going to pull it up real quick. I'll probably make a video on this later this week. What is a handle in trading? Oh, okay. It's for foreign exchange markets. Handles foreign exchange markets. On the left side of a decimal point. A tick represents the smallest possible price change on the right side of a decimal point. Okay. So point, tick. So does that mean like pip is for Forex? Interesting. It's for Forex. Pip is for Forex. It's for... That makes so much sense now. Finally, I get it. Pippin handles Forex, and point and tick are for futures. Okay. I'm going to make a video on that. Thanks for helping me out with that. It's been a long time, like, trying to figure that out. Like 15 months in the trading and I still don't know that. I'm learning stuff every day. But yeah, it's part of the process. It's just like a constant learning journey. So pip. So okay. Let me make sure I get this. Pip. Oh, whoa. A pip is that fourth digit. Whoa, I didn't realize that. Okay. A pip is the fourth digit. Handle. Handle. Not that kind of handle. Okay, well, I want to figure this out before I end the stream. Okay, I get the pip handle. Okay, we got to figure out all of these. I'm gonna make a Google Doc so I can like record all these down. Okay, so I'm going to make a video on this later because I need to know this stuff. Okay, pip. Okay, pip so far makes sense, right? Pip. So pip is for 4x. So we're gonna write down 4x. Pip is like 1.052, and then I'm gonna bold this. Like that's the pip. Okay. All right, we got 1 out of the 4. Okay, so far I get pip. Handle. Okay, well let's start with point. So futures. A point is like 21,246.26 or something like that. A tick. Pretty sure this is right. Well, I'm going to double check this in case this is wrong. Tick is 21,000. Point, tick, handle, pip. Tick is 21,246.2. Okay. Let me make sure that's right. A tick in trading is the smallest possible movement for a security. So yeah, it's for futures. In the U.S., stocks typically move 1 cent increments, which currencies are measured in pips. Ticks. So tick is 1 cent increment for stocks. Tick. Okay. Point. Pip. What did it say? Well, currencies are measured in pips. This is a really good picture. Futures. Forex. Pip. Handle. Why is it not straightforward? Why can't it just give me a straight answer? It's 1 cent. Tick is 1 cent. Is equal to $1. What? For indices, they can have different dollar values? One point equals $1. Okay, I'm starting to get it. Now I just gotta figure out handle. Let's look at the chart. NQ point, NQ tick, $5. You mean for this? For the macro, what is this called? This is a mini. Oh, this is called the mini. ES point equals. I'll copy that and paste that in. Oh, where what? Okay. That makes so much sense. The mini one is the bigger one. You wouldn't think it'd be called mini. It's so stupid. The mini one is actually the big one. I guess micro is bigger than mini. I mean, micro is smaller than mini, so that makes sense. But why is mini still the big one? Okay, a handle is a point. That's what I figured, but I wasn't sure. But, so does that mean it's like this digit right here? Does that mean it's this digit right here? A handle. Not like a regular handle. Imagine I get pictures of door handles. Okay. A handle is the whole part of a price quote. In foreign exchange markets, this is what I want. Okay. A stock is trading at $46. The handle is 46. The whole number part. In foreign exchange markets, the handle is part of the price quote that appears in both the buy and sell price. Then the handle is 141. Okay, there we go. There we go. That's all I was wondering. 21,100 to 21,100.25 has moved a tick. Oh, really? Okay. Thank you. That actually makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense. As 1 point or one hand. Okay, thank you. That actually helps me a lot. Okay, I get the handle for futures now. I mean for Forex now. So like 1.05. Let's say like 1.0524. Okay, so the 0.05, if it was from 0.05 to 0.06, that's one handle. So like the 1 cent change. 1 cent changing How do I write this? 1/100th of a cent. There we go. That's the simple way to explain it. One tick equals 25 cents. So like that. Nice. Okay, I'm getting it. Okay, so now the only thing left I need to figure out is the dollar amount that the contracts change. So like if I have I think I actually know it. It's $2 for micros and $20 for minis. Is that per point? I'm just gonna get rid of this for now. Point. Yeah. I just want to know what it is so I don't get confused, because I just hear all the terms and I have no idea what they mean. So I want to get my head straight right now, because if I don't get my head straight, I'm gonna be really it's just gonna be too confusing. So ES point contracts. Okay, that makes sense. So NQ point equals NQ moves $20 per point. ES mini moves $50 per point. NQ micro moves $2 per point. ES mini, I'm guessing that mini is $5. I mean, yeah, I'm guessing mini is $5 per point. Is that right? For ES. I'm gonna make a video on this. I hope this video I make on this will help people, because this is something that confused me for so long. I'm also gonna make a video on the different kinds of contracts, because that was also something that confused me, like mini versus a micro versus there's the mini, there's the micro. There's the mini, the micro. There's CFDs. And then there's the version of it where they switch it every 3 months. It's the most confusing thing, cause so there's the micro, right? This is the 1/10th the size. There's the regular contract, which is the normal size, but then there's NQ1, which switches out the contracts every 3 months, and then there is NAS 100, which is a CFD. So like there's 4 different ones, and it was always so confusing for me. Like that was one of the biggest things that confused me when I first was like learning about it. Like it just and then also like this pip and handle stuff, but I'm really starting to get it, I think. ES 1250 a tick. So yeah, mini ES is $5 per. You mean point, right? You mean point? Because you said that ES mini moves $50 per point. So wouldn't the... Oh, I meant to write micro. Okay. ES micro moves $5 per point or per tick? Because I'm assuming it's point, because we wrote here that the mini version moves $50 per point. So I'm assuming the micro moves $5 per point. But you said per tick. Yeah, okay. That's what I thought. Sweet. All right, we figured it out. We got a good video coming for this. We're gonna have a couple good videos on both of those topics, so that's really, really good. Where did it go? Why does it just go away like that? There was actually a really good trade that we missed just now. We missed this. Look at this trade. That's so good. Okay, I'm entering it. Where'd it go? Okay. Look at that. Equal highs. See, I'm starting to get the hang of it. I was only risking 150 here. So this is a 3-to-1 restore trade, which is cool. So we swept out this low. I guess it's the end of the macro, huh? This is demo money, just so you know. I'm not risking real money. I'm just practicing. But look at this 3-candle inversion after sweeping that low, delivering from a fair value gap. The only thing that's bad is obviously we're really far in premium, but yeah, that is something that is an issue. That is a big issue, huh? I don't know. There's equal highs here. See these equal highs? I don't know. I'll see if this works or not. Might not work. I think that looked good. Yeah, but we're so far in premium, so this isn't like This isn't a quality trade. I mean, we just swept all-time highs. So it's not like it's like a super, super good trade. Look how far in premium we are. But I just like this 3-candle inversion. Like, that's just such a good inversion. So I don't think it's terrible because we're delivering from a fair value gap. We swept out that low, and we got that 3-candle inversion. So, like, I don't think it's terrible. I really don't. It's just like boom, boom, boom. Just very, very clean. So we're about to hit that first internal high. So if we hit that, I'll move stop loss to break even. And we also have all this trend line liquidity. So it's just like, it's just nice. Come on, we gotta hit that high. What's going on? I feel like if we can close above, we should just start moving. Like, that would make a lot of sense. Okay, stop loss to break even. See how clean this looks? This is the best kind of inverse for value gap. Now, we're so far in premium, so it's obviously like a B or whatever, B trade, but I mean, it's obviously a B trade, but like, because we're so far in premium, but look at this trend line liquidity and look at these equal highs. I mean, that's so good. That's so good. Like I know, like I don't know. It's demo, so I'm just getting practice, but yeah. Like, look at that. Yeah, and dude, they are so real. They are so real. All right, we'll see if we hit these equal highs. There's not any fair value gaps in here, so you would think that this is just where people are getting stopped out. Like, everyone's just getting stopped out. This would be just a giant stop run, you would think. Anyone who tried to short that all-time highs is going to get stopped out. There's no fair value gaps in here, so this just is. It seems super, super clean. That's a 3-to-1 risk to reward trade if this hits. That's pretty good. W. I think the trading FOMC in the afternoon is the move. I think trading FOMC in the afternoon is the move. That was, you see that perfect reaction after sweeping those equal highs? Oh my gosh. It's like, oh my gosh, yeah. That was like, it's like too obvious. Oh my gosh. Can it show my executions? Oh, I think I turned them off. See how right when we took out those equal highs too, that was exactly where the market reacted. Oh, it's only a 2-to-1. Whatever. Whoa. Yeah. You see how we perfectly, like, right when we got to those equal... That's why I didn't target all-time highs, because we had these equal highs here. Wow. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm just getting better still. I'm still kind of just trading on demo, but I'm getting close to the point where I'm probably gonna get the eval soon. Well, like I could get it sooner than later, but I don't know. It's very stressful for me. It's very stressful for me to, I don't know, risk my own money yet, because I've lost in the past. I'm 15 months into trading. I lost so much money in the past. Right now, I just kind of see it as like, I don't know. The second I start risking my real money again, like it's just going to stress me out so much. But I feel like, I don't know. I could buy it soon. I don't know. Sometimes on good days I think I'm the best trader, and sometimes on the worst days I think I don't know how to trade. So yeah, I should do that. Anyway, I'm gonna put this in the Discord. I'm gonna show everyone. I think this was a fun trade. Yeah, you're right. It's not much to lose. I'll get it soon. So it's probably worth it. I mean, this live or whatever this account's called. This demo account's already at 51,000. So that's pretty cool. The only reason I don't want to yet is because I'm still trying to figure out the lot size on these micro contracts. So I don't know. I need to make sure I know how much I'm risking, because otherwise it gets kind of annoying. But yeah, okay, it's almost market close, and that was just a really good trading session. So I think I'm gonna call it here. But it's good talking to you, bro. Yeah, if you're not in the Discord, check out the Discord. It's just like a good place to share trades, talk to people, and hang out. So, all right, I will see you guys.